मेरी बात किसी ने नहीं सुनी। नो वन लिसन्ड टू मी। नो वन लिसन टू मी। आपको क्या करना है? What are you to do? What are you to do? उसे क्या कहना है? What does he have to say? What does he have to say? क्या तुम मुझे याद करते हो? Do you miss me? Do you miss me? मुझे कुछ कहना है। I have something to say. I have something to say. मैं तुम्हें कैसे समझाऊं? How do I make you understand? How do I make you understand? मुझे चक्कर आ रहा है। I am feeling giddy. I am feeling giddy. मैं उनके स्वास्थ्य को लेकर चिंतित हूँ। I am worried about his health. I am worried about his health. यह गलती से हुआ। It happened by mistake. It happened by mistake. ऐसे कैसे हुआ? How did it happen? How did it happen? ऐसा तुक्के से हुआ। It happened by chance. It happened by chance. क्या मैं बैठ सकता हूँ? May I sit? May I sit? थोड़ा खिसकिए। Move a little. Move a little. थोड़ा मेरी ओर से माफ़ी मांग लीजिए। Please apologize on my behalf. Please apologize on my behalf. मैं पूरी कोशिश करूँगा। I will try my best. I will try my best. अब मैं कुछ बोलूं। May I say something now? May I say something now? उम्मीद है आप मज़े में होंगे। Hope you enjoy. Hope you enjoy. कृपया करके धीरे बोलिए। Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. तुम क्या चाहते हो? What do you want? What do you want? तुम क्या सोच रहे हो? What are you thinking about? What are you thinking about? क्या तुम कुछ बोलना चाहते हो? Do you want to say something? Do you want to say something? क्या तुम इंग्लिश सीखना चाहते हो? Do you want to learn English? Do you want to learn English? इससे क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है? What difference does it make? What difference does it make? इससे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता। It doesn't make any difference. इट डजेंट मेक एनी डिफरेंस। बच्चों का आधा टिकट लगता है। चिल्ड्रन ट्रेवल हाफ फेयर। चिल्ड्रन ट्रेवल हाफ फेयर। हम थोड़ा लेट हो गए। वी गॉट अ लिटिल लेट। वी गॉट अ लिटिल लेट। ऐसा सुनकर बहुत दुख हुआ। वेरी सैड टू हियर दिस। वेरी सैड टू हियर दिस। मुझे ताला तोड़ना पड़ेगा। आई हैव टू ब्रेक द लॉक। आई हैव टू ब्रेक द लॉक। मुझे इसकी याद दिला देना। रिमाइंड मी ऑफ इट। रिमाइंड मी ऑफ इट। वह आज थोड़ा देर से जागा। He woke up a little late today. He woke up a little late today. तुम्हारी हिम्मत कैसे हुई? How dare you? How dare you? क्या तुम कभी झूठ नहीं बोलते? Don't you ever lie? Don't you ever lie? मेरी नानी कहानी सुना रही थी। My grandmother was telling the story. My grandmother was telling the story. क्या तुमने मेरी शिकायत कर दी? Did you complain about me? Did you complain about me? मीटिंग शाम तक चली। The meeting continued till evening. The meeting continued till evening. वह क्या करेगा पक्का नहीं। No, not sure what he will do. Not sure what he will do. वह अपनी हंसी नहीं रोक पाए। He could not stop laughing. He could not stop laughing. वह अपने आंसू नहीं रोक पाया। He could not stop his tears. He could not stop his tears. यह आपकी दुआओं के कारण हुआ। It's because of your good wishes. It's because of your good wishes. हमारी बातों से आपको क्या लेना देना? What do you have to do with what we say? What do you have to do with what we say? बात करके अपना समय बर्बाद मत करो। Don't waste your time talking. Don't waste your time talking. आपको नौकरी से हटा दिया। You were fired from your job. You were fired from your job. अपने काम से मतलब रखो। Mind your own business. Mind your own business. कुछ भी हो सकता है। Anything can happen. Anything can happen. क्या तुम कार चलाना जानते हो? Do you know how to drive a car? Do you know how to drive a car? ऐसी चीज़ मैं भी नहीं खाता। I also don't eat such things. I also don't eat such things. ऐसा ख्याल तक मुझे नहीं आता. I can't even think so. I can't even think so. तुम मुझे रोक नहीं पाओगे. You will not be able to stop me. You will not be able to stop me. कोई उसका भी नहीं था. Nobody was his either. Nobody was his either. ना खुद करो ना करने दो. Neither you do yourself nor let do. Neither you do yourself nor let do. इसी बात पर तो हमारे बीच झगड़ा हुआ. There was a fight between us on this issue. There was a fight between us on this issue. कोई तो यहाँ पर दोषी है. Someone is guilty here. Someone is guilty here. इस तरह का आदमी घमंडी होता है. This kind of man is arrogant. This kind of man is arrogant. यह तुम ही हो. It's you. It's you. क्या यह मैं ही हूँ. Is it just me? Is it just me? काश तुम यहाँ होते. Wish you were here. Wish you were here. मुझसे गोलमाल बातें मत करो. Don't make small talk with me. Don't make small talk with